Okay, continue revision form 2, max form 2. So this one is for section B, number 21A. Complete the number sequence in the answer space. So you can see clearly here 12, 16, meaning plus 4. Okay, here also is plus 4, so 20, 24, 28, and so on. Okay, so you have the answer is 20, 28. Okay, part B, based on the Polygon diagram 13, complete the table in the answer space. Okay, the sum of the exterior angle. So this is how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 sides. So the sum of exterior angle equals to 360. Yeah? For the polygon, the total exterior angle equals to 360. The sum of interior angle, that's a formula, n minus 2 times 180. So you get equals to n is 7. So time 180, meaning is, 2, 7 minus 2. That 5 times 180, so we get is 900 degrees. So here is 900. So you can check list of formula to check the formula to calculate the sum of interior angle. Okay, number 22. Diagram 14 shows a circle with center O. Based on the diagram, match the correct answer. So you must know all the line. Okay, so for E is what? E is the sector. Small sector, so we call it minor sector. Okay, so this one use ruler and draw a line to join the corresponding. There's a sengit. Use ruler to draw the line. Okay, so you can draw a line here. Okay, and then F is what? F is diameter. Okay, G is the one we call it chord. Sorry, here, not there. Be G here, chord. And then H is what? Is what? Segment. It's minor segment. Okay. That answer. Okay, number 23. Name the type of solid for each of the nets. You can see the nets here got one circle and one like a sector. This one should be a cone. Okay. Q, so we have like these 3 parts, triangle, and then 1 square. So this one is a pyramid. Okay, and this one we have a triangle. So there's another 3 rectangle. So this one will be prism. And this one all cube. So it can be a cube or cuboid. All same size, same length, so it will be cube lah. Okay. Okay, number 24. Mark tick for relation of function and x if not. So for function we have many to many relation. No, we don't have that. Okay, and then we have many to one. Yes. Okay, and then C, one to many. Okay, so no, and then one to one. So it's either many to one or one to one. Okay, number 25. Diagram 16 shows a graph or journey of a car. A, state the total distance and time taken for the whole journey. B, speed in kilometer per hour of the car from P to Q. We look at diagram here, or the graph here. So the total distance, the final point, meaning after 2 hours, so the car is at Q. And the reading here shows 165, meaning the distance travel is 165 after 2 hours. Okay, so the total distance is 165 kilometer. Okay, here unit kilometer. Okay, time taken 2 hours. See, meaning the graph stop here, so meaning 2 hours. 2 jam. And then the speed from P to Q. So the speed from P to Q, okay, so we get is distance travel divided by time taken. But now at P is 30 kilometer, Q is 165 kilometer, meaning P to Q equals to, so PQ equals to 165 minus 30, so it's 135 kilometer. Okay, and the time taken is 2 minus 0.5 is 1.5 hour. Okay, so we get here the speed equals to 135 divided by 1.5. Okay, so we get the answer is 90 kilometer per hour, or hour negative 1. Okay, so we get the answer. Now section C, simplify. P squared minus Q squared. You know the formula, A squared minus B squared can be written as A plus B times A minus B. Okay, so we do the same thing for this one. Okay, so we get P plus Q, P minus Q, divided by P minus Q times P minus Q. This one P minus Q squared, meaning P minus Q times P minus Q. Here is divide, so I want to change to multiply. So I will take 1 divided by P plus Q squared. P plus Q squared I can write as P plus Q times P plus Q. Now process to simplify. So you can see here P minus Q here can be cancelled 1, and then here 1 can be cancelled. So what we get here, 1 divided by P minus Q times P plus Q. This one go back to this formula, so we get is 1 over P squared minus Q squared. So this is the answer. Okay. For part B, a few sticks of equal length are used to form a pattern. The first 3 patterns are shown in table 2 below, 4, 8, 12. Okay. Okay, part 1. State the number of sticks used in the 5th pattern. Okay. can see the pattern 4, 8, 12. So meaning the next one will be 16, 20. Okay. $20 stick. Okay. Find the number here. We get 20 stick. Okay. Okay, part 2. Find the number of stick needed for the end pattern. Okay. So you can see the pattern, the sequence shows the number increases by 4. So the first term is 4. So we can get is like 4 plus n minus 1 times 4. Okay. So we get is 4 plus 4n minus 1. So this one equals to, we can simplify actually. 4 plus 4n minus 4, meaning is 4n. N is integer. Okay. So actually this one, there's a formula actually. A n minus 1t. The difference between 4, this is the number of terms, and this is the first term. Okay. So or we get like this also can. Okay. 4n. Okay, explain why 25 sticks cannot be used to form one of the pattern. Because 24 is not a even number and not a multiple of 4. Okay, 25 is not a multiple of 4. Because when you divide, you cannot get n is a whole number or integer. Okay, C. Okay, C, you can check, you can try to answer. So I give you the answer, x equals to 60. This one you try yourself. Okay, number 27. Diagram 18 shows a hexagon. Find value of x. Same thing, the total or the sum of the interior angle equals to 360. Okay, so you just total up, you will get is 2x plus 5 plus 90 plus 8x plus 60 plus 2x plus 10 plus 4x plus 15. Okay, so we get equals to how many sides? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. So 4 times 180. Okay, here we get 2x plus 8x, 10x, 12x, 16x plus, okay, 25 is not 5 here, 25. 25 plus 90, 115, 175, 185, 200. Use calculator to calculate if you cannot calculate, no? Faster. Okay. So you have 16x equals to 520. Okay. So x equals to 32.5. Okay, so get 52.5, the answer. The total interior angle is n minus 2 times 180. N is the number of sides. Okay, B. Diagram 19 shows a regular nonagon. Center O, calculate values of Z. Okay, angle here at center here. Okay, for one small segment here. Okay, equals to 360 divided by n. 360 divided by n, nonagon is 9. So mean 40. So here is 40. Here is 3 segment. So y equals to 3 times 40. So is 120. Okay. So here is 40. So what is x? This one is same length. Same length. Okay, because this one is regular nonagon. Okay, so you can get x equals to 180 minus 40 divided by 2. So 140 divided by 2, 70. Okay, so you will get x 70, y 120.